Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to obtain vocals from a song. So first of all, open up your browser, then type in your browser ultimate vocal remover.com. Hit enter. Now once you're here, go to the website ultimatevocalremover.com. Now once you're at the website, just simply scroll down and click on download UVR. It will take you to a GitHub page. Just simply scroll down and click on the main download link depending upon your operating system. For example, Windows and Mac. I'm using Windows, so I'm just click on main download link of the Windows. Install the setup and install the application from that setup and run that application. Now after downloading and opening the Ultimate Vocal Remover, you will be at this interface right here. Now, first of all, make sure that you have the song downloaded in your computer in MP3 or MP4 format. And after you have downloaded it, click on select input right here and select the song that you want to remove the vocals from. I have this one right here. Just click on it and click on open. And after that, select the output, the location where the vocals and the instrumentals will be downloaded on the computer. Just click on select output and choose the location and click on. Now after that, in the process method, click on it and click on ensemble mode, as it will take all these processing methods and will give you the best result possible. So just click on it. Now you will have to choose a stem pair. Just click on it, and in here you will have multiple options in the drop down window. The first one will give you a vocal and an instrumental, while drums slash no drums means you will get a vocal only consisting of drum beats, and you will get an instrumental without drums. Same is the case with bass. You will get only a vocal consisting of the bass of the song and instrumental without a bass. I will go for the vocal and instrumental as I want those two. Just click on it. Now in the third drop down window right here, you will select the quality of both the vocal and the instrumental. Left side represents the quality of the vocals and the right side represents the quality of the instrumentals. For example, max spec and max spec means vocals will also be of the highest quality and instrumental will also be of the highest quality. You can select otherwise as well. But keep in mind, this choice will affect the processing time as max specs will take longer period of time. I will go for max spec and max spec. Now you can check these boxes as well. For example, if you have a GPU, meaning a graphics card, you can enable it. And if you only want a vocals only song, you can also enable this one as well. And if you only want an instrumental, you can select this box right here. And if you want a sample of 30 seconds first, you can check this box if you want. Now, if you're done with the stuff, in the available models window, select all the available models. I have 5 right here, and after that just click on start processing. So here my vocals and instrumentals have been isolated. Now if you open up this folder right here, it will give you a vocal and instrumental made by a particular model that we used in Ultimate Voice Remover 5. For example, the first instrumental right here was made up by 1 HP UVR model, and this instrumental right here was made up by 2 HP UVR model, and it's an instrumental as well. You've got the vocals as well made up by 2 HP UVR, while the one that it gave you on the desktop is like a weighted average of these and gives you the best results. So you can check them out as well. If you like any one of these, you can use them, or you can use the resultant ones here as well. So I will just play the instrumental for some time so that you guys can hear it. So here is the instrumental isolated and it has done a pretty good job. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can get a vocals from a song. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.